Let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Balghari Kitchen. And as you know, Eid al Adha is nearby, so I'm going to cook some dessert for Eid al Adha. It's very special in Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh as well. So I'm going to make something special, which is for Eid al Adha special. I'm going to make chocolate seviyan. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments. As always, I mention. So I'm going to take you in Balghari Kitchen, where I prepare all the items. So I'm going to show you. Seviyan is dry wheat flour strings. It's product of Pakistan. Chocolate chips. I'm going to use Kit Kat, sponsored by Nestle. Fresh milk, sugar, peanuts, almond, raisin, and some cashew and walnut as well. Black raisins. I'm going to use a lot of nuts because I'm fan of nuts. So keep watching this recipe for it. It's very simple and easy to make. Viewers, let's start our cooking. I add already one pan on heat, which is almost hot. So I'm going to add the milk first. The first ingredients goes is milk. You see the sound says it's ready to boil. This recipe for 1 liter milk. So I'm going to add more milk. And then I'm going to add dry wheat flour strings, which is like this. You can make it more smaller, just press with the hand, so easy to cook. Add sugar as well, mix together all and let them boil. While it's boiling, we'll chop our nuts. So viewers, let's chop our almond. If you can crush also, otherwise you can chop by hand, like not too much smaller, just chop chop. Make sure you can save your hand. So normally while chopping almond is dangerous, so not too much chop, like this way, and you can add. And then cashew nuts as well you can chop, and peanuts all together you can chop. These all nuts give unique flavor and aroma in your chocolate seviyan. Keep stirring continuously this all. Look at this seviyan. Now it's time to add raisins. I'm going to add raisins, black raisin as well, and some nuts I'm going to add in this, and the rest of the nut we keep for garnish. So look at this. Keep stirring. Some people like it's milky, some like thicker. So keep stirring the milk. The more thicker, you will see it's tasty. Keep stirring continuously. You can see the more is cooked is getting thicker. So keep stirring and cook for 5 to 6 minutes more. So Eid al Adha Mubarak to everybody. So you can see it's now getting more thicker and thicker, and after 2 to 3 minutes we are going to dish out this one. This is very special on Eids and another occasion as well, and it's very easy to make, so you can make it in your home with very few ingredients, and the children, women, man, everybody like this dish. So for diabetes patient, you can make also this one without sugar. So almost it's ready. I'm going to dish out now. You can see. So viewers, our chocolate Seviyan is ready. It's milky milky. So I'm going to pour on dish. You can serve hot or cold. Now it's time to garnish with almonds, peanuts, walnuts, a lot of nuts. Finally, I'm going to add chocolate chips, which is Kit Kat from Nestle. It's also give unique aroma in your Sauvignon. Chocolate Seviyan is ready. So viewers, look at this delicious chocolate Seviyan for Eid al-Adha is ready. I'm going to taste. Let's take some out and separately in the bowl. Wow, very hot. Let's little bit taste how it looks like. It's delicious. Mmm. I remember my mom who's always she's always making this on Eid. So very delicious. It's like your own home recipe. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments in comment section. And keep stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Mmm. Very delicious.